Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get working coupon code for Amazon. So just open your browser. So you want to type in couponolo.com. All right. So as you can see, there's a bunch of coupon codes right here. What you want to do is search for the coupon code you want to use. All right. So we have a couple of coupon codes. So I'm just going to search for Amazon. Say multiple Amazon. I'm going to select this. Okay, so these are a couple of coupons codes I can use. Top Amazon promo code, show coupon code. Right, so you can just copy this coupon code and add to Amazon and get $50 off your order. So it's pretty easy and straightforward to get a coupon code. So if you get something from this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.